Alright, so we are on bit Mars. Let's try out the new aery kit. It's not lagging, it's not lagging. Okay, so we are gonna try out the aery kit. Wasn't alright. It's a little laggy though. Okay, let's do this. Alright. Okay. Butterfly flip real quick. Okay. Okay, it's alright, it's alright. Still get a chance. Okay. I tricked him. Oh well. Okay. Alright. He's tryharding, I guess. Let's get his bit. Get his iron. Kinda easy, to be honest. Okay. Oh man, come on, dog. Don't do me like that, bro. This goofy ass avatar, bro. Alright. Let's queue in again. Actually, my first time playing aery kit. So I don't know much. And I don't really know what to do with aery. I might combo somebody though. Yeah. So let's hop right in. Okay, cyan, where am I? I'm cyan. I'm against purple, which no one's here yet. Wow. Man has bald head. It just doesn't want to show it. Oh my god, bro. This. Since Papa is not here, I'm gonna rush. Let's go, boy. Let's go spawn in later. Key to winning is just rush. Okay, let's get his bit. Right. When that comes soon, so I'll buy more blocks. Okay. The fastest clicker is a kid, alright. First is over there, fast clicker, so yeah. If you're accusing me of auto clicking, that's fine. I honestly get auto clickers. My friend uses auto clickers, so yeah, she ain't no clicking. I can't drag click because I don't know how to, so oh my god, so close to die. Isn't this good? I'm about to win my first match. Actually, no, over 300 wins, so yeah. Oh, you thought you were getting my bit, huh? You thought you were getting. Okay. Easy. Easy win. Okay. Is failing us. Yo. When's the update gonna come? Alright, yo, can tell me when is the update gonna come? Okay. It's a little laggy, so I'm gonna put my graphics for it. Team. Wow. It's quite crazy. It's not how I click on it. This is how I click. There. Alright. Let's combo him real quick. What? Oh yeah, that's stone sword. I did not know. How did you get so much blocks so fast? It's impossible. Alright. Let's go. Oh shoot. Let's try harding right now. Alright. I just died. I'm so bad at this game. This kid is so bad, bro. He has to mine blocks. Get some blocks before you rush. It's a good. I'm on the way. Easy. No way, this guy just lost with armor. Dude, I found out that aery is so OP, bro. No way. Oh. Yo, I want a third party. That guy just fell. I got auto clicking. No way. Guy is being accused of auto clicking. So everyone's base is getting destroyed. Alright. Bang a boom. Chase they chase me. Alright. Find us, keep us. Look at it. Buying a freaking ball. Yo, it's man trapped. LOL, bro. Man tried to kill me with a diamond sword. Gee, my man. Nah, that's head. For real? No. Nah. Okay, alright, I think I'm gonna go now. So yeah, alright.